Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can bulk upload supplier invoices on Kashoo accounting software. To upload invoices, single line invoices or invoices which you want to record as a one-line transaction, you need to go to section inbox on your sidebar. Here click on plus receipts and select invoices that you want to upload in bulk. For example, I have these 3 invoices. Click open. And system will automatically create invoices for you. Check a date. For example, these invoices are in April. Just make sure that information matches. Select category, so cost of goods sold. If you use taxes, then select the correct tax category. This is amount what's been paid, and once you're happy, post all transactions, either one by one or we can post whole. If you want to check transactions, click on edit. Select transaction, click on edit. One most important thing is check your deposit account. In my case, this being paid by bank transfers already, so make sure that you select from which account it's been this being paid. So in my case they are from okay, we'll select one by one, sorry. Bank account, post. Okay, so in this episode I covered how you can bulk upload your invoices if you want to enter them as a single lines on your Kashoo accounting software. Also, I have shared the link in description section below to my complete Kashoo accounting software tutorial. In this tutorial, I cover all sections in detail. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.